Nearly 1 million people have died from the pandemic, and the Associated Press NORC Center for Public Affairs Research conducted a poll with nearly 1,500 adults late last month, discovering about 1 in 5 Americans say they lost a relative or close friend to the coronavirus. These results highlighted division between heartbreak and hope as the country continues to fight against this pandemic. COVID-19 numbers are down, but recent holidays brought skyrocketing cases into 2021. People are still mourning and express frustration. Many didn't even have a chance to grieve their loved ones due to travel restrictions putting a hold on memorial services. Americans are making adjustments each day to fight this virus. About 3 in 10 Americans are very worried about themselves or a family member being infected with the virus, down from about 4 in 10 in recent months. This poll found that communities of color were hit hardest by the coronavirus. About 30% of African Americans and Hispanics know a relative or close friend who died from the virus, compared with 15% of white people. Despite recent drops in cases, 43% of Black Americans and 39% of Hispanics are very and extremely worried about themselves or a loved one getting coronavirus, compared to just 25% of white people. While vaccines are being offered, giving Americans hope, the poll also found about 1 in 3 Americans don't intend to get their shot. Younger adults, people with college degrees, and Republicans being the most reluctant. Those that were hit the hardest by the virus are also having a difficult time getting vaccinated, with only 16% of Black Americans and 15% of Hispanics saying they have already received at least one shot, compared to 26% of white people. Despite this, vaccine confidence is rising. While 20% of Americans aren't confident the shots were properly tested, that is now down 32% who were skeptical in December, just before the first shots were cleared. I'm Tolly Anderson reporting.